Understanding, Play the Snake, a fun guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a unique and interesting phrase, play the snake. This phrase isn't just about snakes or playing, but it's a colorful part of the English language. So, let's dive in and find out what it means. Play the snake is not a commonly used phrase in English, and its meaning might not be immediately obvious. Typically, when we talk about snakes in idiomatic expressions, it's often associated with deception, danger, or sneakiness. For example, a snake in the grass refers to a person who is treacherous or deceitful. So, play the snake could be interpreted as acting in a deceitful or sneaky manner. To understand, play the snake, it's helpful to look at the cultural background of snake-related idioms. Historically, snakes have been symbols of treachery and danger in many cultures. This is why English, like many languages, uses snake imagery to describe sneaky or untrustworthy behavior. Knowing this cultural context helps us understand why a phrase like, play the snake, suggests deception. While play the snake isn't a standard idiom, it's always good to know how to use such phrases. Here's an example. I can't believe he would play the snake and lie to us about the project. This sentence implies that someone is being deceitful. Remember, using such idiomatic expressions can add flavor and color to your English. I hope this exploration of play the snake has been fun and informative. English is full of interesting phrases and idioms, and understanding them can really enrich your language skills. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try using new expressions in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!